This entire animated video, I made it completely free inside Canva. Here's exactly how I did it, in about 6 minutes. Let's get started. If you've ever thought animation was scary or that you couldn't do it in Canva, today I'm going to show you that it's not scary, and here's how. So I'm in Canva using a free account. You can tell because it's asking me to try the paid one. I'll go to Video, click on it, choose Landscape, and then come over here to Elements. I'll search for City Park here. Next, I'll go to Graphics. Notice, any of these with a crown on it means that you have to pay to use them. Let me show you something real quick. If you were to use one of these paid ones, but you're using a free plan, look at this. You see that watermark? In order to remove that watermark, you'll have to have a paid account. So let's not use that one. That's why you want to avoid the ones with the crown on them if you are using the free plan. Anything that doesn't have a crown on it are free to use. But in this case, I didn't find any that I want to use. So I made one already using AI, and I'll put it right there. So let's add some movement to it. Then go to Elements and search for Walking. I want to use the free ones, but I don't like any of these. So here's a trick. Click on this, go to Animated, click on that, and then Apply. Now all these results are actually moving. Perfect. Let's choose a free one. I'll choose this lady, and let's pull her over like that. So I'll click on her, then scoot her almost off the page. Almost. You can enlarge this if you need to. So she's still on the page. Next, I'll take her, click on her, then go up here to Animate. Click on this button that says Create an Animation, and click on that B. Basically, you're going to click on her with your mouse button, hold it down, and drag her around the way you want her to move, just like this. Then Canva will show her walking across. Then click Done if you like it, or redo it if you don't. Let's add a little bit more to it. How about if we searched for plants? We're still using the animated option, remember? So let's choose some of these. Use the same method as before. Yeah, that's good. Now you see she's behind the plants, and we can always adjust her speed if needed. Let's make one more scene. I'll go back to Uploads and choose this image I made using AI. We're going to go between these two scenes and click on Add Transition. I'll choose Dissolve. Now let's go back to Elements and search for Ice Skater. Remember, we're still using the animated. I'll choose this one, and I'll pull it down right down here. Now we're going to make her move, so let's click on Animate, click on the B, we'll move it around just like this. But there's one thing missing. We need to add some snow. So search for free snow, and now we'll pull it over just like that. You can also click here on Transparency and lighten it up if you wanted to. Now we have our two scenes, the lady walking in the park and also the kangaroo ice skating on the pond. Once you're happy with it, come right up here to Share. Click on Download. Make sure MP4 and 1080 is chosen. Then click Download. And if you follow these steps, you'll be able to create an animation using Canva. Now it's time for you to do this. Have fun making more. If this info is useful to you, please like and subscribe now. It really helps the channel grow so I can make even more videos for you. I want to show you one last thing before I finish. I want to show you how to add sounds. Nothing makes your videos more complete than having sounds or music. So let's take the playhead all the way back to the beginning and add sounds for each scene. If we go to Uploads, this is where we would put our sounds. Here are a few examples. Next, I'll come up here and go to Google to search for Pixabay. This site has a lot of sounds and more in here. So let's go to Sound Effects. Look for Walking. These are the options. Click right here to listen to any of them, and if you want it, click right here to download it. So I'll listen to a couple and choose one, then download it. And then it's going to show you this. And I also need one for a winter wind. I'm going to do the same thing as before. I'm going to choose this one, then download it. Now I've got my two sounds. So now I'm going to take my two sounds that I just downloaded from Pixabay and add them in here in Canva. I'm going to lower the volume a little bit so it's not so loud. You'll have to experiment with the sound levels. And then I'll duplicate it a few times just like that. And then I'll put my playhead at the beginning of the winter scene and add this other sound. I'll pull it over like that. Alright, and on this last part, I can adjust the sound by coming right up here. What I will do is come right over here and make sure at the end to fade it out. Just pull this over and you can adjust it. This way, when it ends, it won't stop so abruptly. The next thing I'm going to do is come up here to Share, click Download, choose MP4 and 1080, then click Download. And in just a second, I'll be ready to put this wherever I want to. Now it's time for you to try making movies of your own. Have fun experimenting!
If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.